Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on the spell check-in in Adobe InDesign. So basically you need to open your Adobe InDesign and follow these simple steps. Here I'm going to create just a little simple text and I will just resize it so you can see the spell check-in. So let's resize our box here to have it more freedom in the outline and have it like here. Basically this is our text. So if you want to add the spell check-in, we need to go to the edit, and if we go to edit, here we will find something that is called spelling. Basically you can just click on check spelling and you will start to check the spelling for each word in the text. Basically here it will give you some suggested correction and you can choose from them. For example, let's just have it like this, and for example we click on check, then we go for next, and you skip and until you continue your final you continue until you finish your text. Also you can choose the direction of your spelling, so either it will spell from the end to the top or from the beginning to the end of your your text. So I'm just going to click on skip, start, and then skip, so until it will find some odd text or some wrong text. Basically everything here I have is already like already is correct, so that's why that I don't have many spell check-in. I can just click on ignore all and go start, and as you can see I'm just starting spell check-in each time. Basically this is the manual or the manual spell check-in. Also you can have like an automatic or a dynamic spell check-in by going to edit and go to the spelling again, and you will click on dynamic spell check-in. So basically whenever I'm going to do something wrong or any grammar mistake, or you will have like the underline like the Microsoft Word or Google Docs or any text editor, you will have like the red underline in here, and you will have some suggestions that you can add. For example, let's just have for example earth, and as you can see I have it wrong. I can just click on earth and it will correct it automatically. So basically this is how you can start or turn on your spell check-in in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching and see you next time.